Are you giving out? Are you? What are you giving out about? You can't remember. But it's very important. Oh, you miss your granddad? Oh, why didn't you say? You want to send him a message? Say hello. Hello, Grandad. Oh, she's asking where you're gone, Grandad. He's on holidays. You're very upset. You're very upset over it. Yeah. Did he not say goodbye to you? Give him a big kiss. Oh, we have the hiccups. Tell Grandad you love him. Go on, say something nice. Oh, you're still annoyed at him for leaving you. Oh. But you love him though, don't you? What? Yeah? Oh, you said yeah. Okay, we heard you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.